I'm gonna cook today. Hey y'all, today's gonna be my first day cooking in the RV. I am not gonna cook on the stove or in the oven just because I don't really feel like dealing with propane. It's a propane oven and stove, and I did buy a lighter to light it up. And one day I can show y'all how to use the oven. I didn't know how to use it. I looked in the manual. I couldn't find the information I needed in the manual. So I went on YouTube and I found it. One day I may show you a video on how to work the oven. It's not gonna be today though. But I bought an air fryer, and I also have an electric grill. And I'm not going to use that today. My friend Tara's got that for me. Thank you, girl. Got that for me for my housewarming. But I'm going to use the air fryer today to cook some salmon. But I also, on Amazon, I got this, which is going to allow me to record with my phone on my forehead. We're going to see how that works. So I'm gonna test this out today, show it to y'all. And I'm going to use this air fryer for the first time. So come on with me. One reason I don't record that often is because I don't be feeling like getting on here talking to y'all if I'm not looking how I feel like I should be looking. Another reason is because I don't always feel like putting on clothes, and I'm in my house and I don't have to put on clothes if I don't want to. So I'm gonna see how this works. Hopefully I ain't gonna show y'all too much, but I want to show y'all this one thing I took out the little Amazon thing to record. So here it is. Oh yeah, y'all can't see nothing. I got a bra on. I just ain't want y'all to see the whole bra or whatever. But this, it's stretchy, which is nice because y'all know I'm plus size. And oh, and it can loosen up here. It has these straps on the side too, so I loosened it as much as it would go. And then I will put the camera onto here some kind of way, and this will allow me to hold the camera here and be hands-free. I had it up here, I'll put it down here. It's a bra, y'all, get over it. I can bend this down, do like this. Oh, it's gonna be fun, y'all. This is my new air fryer. I think it is a 7-quart. I'm not really sure. Looks pretty big to me. I'm just gonna keep this sitting on the oven because I think that'll be convenient. Ooh, I always forget about that part. That might be too big to fit in there. Right, so I have some lemon pepper, a little bit of paprika, and some garlic powder. So most of the time I just use only lemon pepper. I don't know why I'm not gonna just do that today, but something is telling me to put a little paprika on this. I like to just cover it. I don't know if this is too much for y'all, but I like a lot of lemon pepper. I don't put that much paprika. I don't even know why I'm putting paprika on it. I'm not gonna put much paprika on there. And I honestly don't want any garlic powder on there either. Maybe a little bit of garlic powder at the end. So this end part right here has the paprika and the garlic powder. So I'll see next time if it was a vibe. And if it was, then I'll try it again. So let's see if this fits in here. It's bigger than it's longer than I thought it would be. It's fitting there good, y'all. Oh, you know what I don't have? I didn't even think about that. I don't have no, I don't have any olive oil spray. Oh, man. I don't olive oil spray. So this is probably going to stick to the pan. Damn it. Anyway, it is what it is. This is like I said, it's my first time cooking since I've been in here. Hopefully it won't stick too bad. Let's see. So some lights came on and stuff. So I'm gonna push this, push the on button first. It says shake. What does that mean? Push this. Oh, it says 10 minutes. So we'll see if it's done in 10 minutes. That seemed like a short amount of time to cook a whole thing of fish. Like I said, I want to use the air fryer a couple times. Oh, y'all from North Carolina. See, I need to get a new picture frame. I've been looking for one that's like gold or rose gold to go with the color scheme. I can't find one. I did clean up a little bit today. And I went grocery shopping, so I have some groceries in here. Got a whole bunch of snacks, y'all. I told y'all I ain't been eating good. I want to get one of those things on Amazon where you can hang these up on the wall. That would be so convenient, so they're not in the way. Because right now, they fall over and they're in the way, and it's annoying. But I came in here to get a bag. And yeah, I want to be like better for the planet and everything, and be more conscious of, you know, the energy that I'm using and the waste that I accumulate. And I'm talking about that because I'm thinking about these water bottles. I do have a lot. I drink water and I use water bottles, and maybe that's not the best thing to do, because I used to recycle. Got 8 minutes left. I used to recycle, but since I've been in the RV, I haven't found like where I can recycle stuff. So I haven't been recycling, which has made me feel some kind of way, I ain't gonna lie. I am not going to throw this away in my garbage. I'm going to sit it out here for now, and I'm going to throw it away outside because I don't want ants, and I don't usually put like stuff that gnats and ants enjoy in my garbage. Try to avoid that. Let's see what I got in here. Y'all, this drink right here, mango pineapple, mix that with some cranberry juice. Y'all, it is lovely. So I put mine in the freezer. Got a little bit of ice. Got a little bit of ice in there. Yeah, it's a whole vibe right now. I'm about to eat this with some rice. I eat this all the time at home. Now I'm eating at my new home. Quinoa and brown rice. This right here, I love it. Put it in the microwave, you see, for a minute and a half. I'm gonna have this and some broccoli. It ain't gonna be fresh broccoli, y'all. I got some, I should have bought more, but I bought this. Kind of go in the microwave. So yeah. Oh, let me turn this air back on. Turn this air back on. Can I see? Got 4 minutes left on there. All right. Let's see what it's looking like. Oh. Looks good. All right, so let's see if I can get it off. Oh, it's not stuck. It's not stuck. Ooh, it's coming off real easy. Uh-oh. 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 All right, it looks good actually. Let me taste it. Well, that tastes good. Look at that. That cooked real good. I usually take the skin off and broil it. I wanted that's a picture. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna flip it again. Put it back on fish. And let's see what happens. I gotta get this spatula. Y'all, it's good. You know when you start singing and you chewing, what Megan say? You know what's good when you singing and you chewing. Yup. That's good, y'all. I think that's the side I got the paprika on it. I'm gonna start eating with my hands so y'all don't think I'm on the ghetto or something. I don't care. I don't care. It's just me. My hands clean. I'm in my house and I'm inviting y'all in to look, not to eat, so it's all good. Now let me put my rice in the microwave. 1:30. Of course I'm not gonna eat this whole thing. You know I can. Y'all know I can. Let me save some for later or tomorrow morning. Look how that looks. And it tastes great. While that's doing its thing, I'm going to feed Roger. Roger has issues with diarrhea. And one of my RV neighbors was telling me that bread helps with that. Another thing that helps, which a vet told me about, is sweet potatoes. And so I have some sweet potato puree that I bought, but I don't have a can opener. I need to buy a can opener. I don't know if him having too much bread is a bad thing, but I usually give him a slice of bread in the morning and in the evening when I feed him. This is what I feed him. Beneful. I used to feed him the hard dog food, but he won't eat it now. He is about to be 14 years old, so he's pretty finicky about his food. And I was told that he has some issues with probably having Cushing's, so I bought this for him. I got this on Amazon, and it seems to like help him be a little more alert and maybe not as confused as he was before, so it helps some. So here is his food. There he is. And he better not ask me for none of mine. He like to come up in my face and ask me for my food. Let's see what this skin look like. And you know what I forgot to do, y'all? Why y'all ain't remind me? I ain't put no seasoning on the skin. And that shit feels pretty crispy. Let's see. Oh, it feels pretty good. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on there. Just a little bit. Ooh. Got a little nice crust on it. So I'm gonna put some of this rice in here for later or tomorrow. Put the rest here. Guess I'm making y'all a plate too. Yeah, it's nice and crispy, y'all. I'm gonna take another sip of this drink. Let me just go ahead and finish that. Put this up here. Get that a little later. And here we are, guys. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Look at that salmon though. And the skin. I love it. I'm excited. So I'm gonna sit down and eat this. I would invite y'all to come eat with me, but this was good enough. You know, I'm proud of myself for this video right here. So we'll see if y'all like it. If y'all don't, I'll just cook for myself by myself. All right, y'all. Have a good night.